Hi students, welcome to ANR classes. In before video we discussed some important examples of aromatic characters. Now we will discuss some more important examples. Once look at the board. Example 19. It have conjugation or not? Once check it. No conjugation. Ring is there but there is no conjugation. This is the non-aromatic compound. Non-aromatic compound. And next 20. So conjugation is there up to here but conjugation not completed throughout the ring. So this is also non-aromatic compound, non-planar compound. Non-aromatic, non-planar compound. So next. So here benzene have conjugation, that is a very important. Throughout the system have conjugation. These pi electrons are delocalized pi electrons moving in the total conjugation. So here two resonance structures are exist. How many resonance structures? Two resonance structures are possible. So these electrons are delocalized electrons. These pi electrons are delocalized electrons. It follows the 4n plus 2 pi electrons or not. So 4n plus 2 equal to 6, n equal to 1. So n value 0, 1, 2, 3 are there. So it follows the 4n plus 5, 4n 2 plus 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. Next. So when compared to these three molecules, which is the most stable? Benzene is most stable, then 21 is most stable, 20 is most stable than 19. Why? Because it have more conjugation. Aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are most stable. Aromatic compounds are most stable. So next 22. So that is a very important compound. This is the very important pyridine. In pyridine, nitrogen lone pair not involved in conjugation. Here already completed long conjugation. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, that is equal to 6. How many electrons involved in conjugation? How many electrons? Delocalized electrons, 6 electrons. Here lone pair not involved in conjugation. So it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, n equal to 1, it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, Hoffel's rule. So it have ring and have conjugation, that pi electrons are delocalized pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound and planar compound. All aromatic compounds are planar compounds. All aromatic compounds are planar compounds. Next. 23. So this is the very important example, very important example, very important. Propylium cation, that is a very important. 7 carbons are there in conjugation, 7 carbons. So it is a conjugation is there or not? So this is no conjugation here, not completed throughout the ring. It is a non-aromatic compound. It is a non-aromatic compound. For example, here minus is there, conjugation is there. Here minus is there, conjugation is there. This minus involved in conjugations. That electrons are delocalized electron. These electrons are delocalized electron throughout the system, So it follow the 4n plus 2 electrons or not? 4n plus 2 equal to 8. So 4n equal to 6. So n equal to 6 by 4. So it not get 1, 0 like that. So it not follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Now it follow the 4n or not. So 4n equal to 8, n equal to 2. It follow the 4n rule. So it is a anti-aromatic. It is a non-aromatic. It is anti-aromatic. Now take the one more example. So here plus, this cation is known as propylium cation. So it is how conjugation, plus is involved in conjugation. This pi electrons also involved in conjugation. It is a conjugated system, and the pi electrons delocalized electron. The pi electrons are delocalized electron throughout this system involved in the process. And next, it follow the 4n plus 2 or not. 4n plus 2 equal to 4n plus 2 equal to 6, n equal to 1. So it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. Non-aromatic, it is a anti-aromatic. It is a aromatic compound. So non-aromatic, anti-aromatic, aromatic. Aromatic is more stable than non-aromatic. Non-aromatic is more stable than anti-aromatic. So next. So next, very important, propolone. The double bond is there. So if pi electron shifted to oxygen, the pi electron shifted to oxygen, that time the oxygen get minus, here carbon get positive charge. Along with positive, this is the conjugated system. This is a conjugation, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, plus and single bond, conjugated system. So these pi electrons are delocalized pi electrons. So it is a planar molecule. It is a planar molecule. We follow the 4n plus 2 or not. So 4n plus 2 equal to 6 pi electrons, that equal to 4n equal to 4 and equal to 1. So it follow the 4n plus 2 rule. So Huckel's rule, it follow the Huckel's rule. It follow the Huckel's rule. So it is a aromatic compound. It is a more dipole moment. It is a more dipole moment compound. Why? Because the pi electrons shifted to here. The pi electrons shifted to here. So after charge separation, it is aromatic compounds. That's why easily charge is separated from these molecules. Why? That's why this is the more dipole moment. It have more dipole moment. So next, very important. So this is the aromatic or not? This is the aromatic or not? Here lone pair involved in conjugation. Along with this lone pair involved in conjugation throughout the system. Here how many delocalized electrons are there? Here 8 delocalized electrons are there. It follow the 4n plus 2 rule. So n equal to 2. So it follow the 4n plus 4n. It follow the 4n, not 4n plus 2. So it is a anti-aromatic compound. It is a anti-aromatic compound. So here plus or the lone pair atoms are outside the ring is there, that is the aromatic compound. Here minus or lone pair atoms are there in ring, that is the anti-aromatic compound. This is the very important here. O or S or minus or N or phosphorus, whatever it may be there here. In ring, heteroatoms are there that have lone pairs, that is a anti-aromatic compound. For example, it is aromatic or not, once check it. Here boron is there, boron. So boron nothing but electron deficient group. Electron deficient group, in place of boron here the vacant orbital is there, plus, like plus, like plus. So boron or plus or heteroatoms outside is there, here plus are there, that is the empty group, that is deficient group. So here plus the boron empty orbitals involved in conjugation. So it have conjugation, it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So 4n plus 2 equal to 6, n equal to 1. So it molecule follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons have conjugation, and that pi electrons involved in delocalization. These electrons are delocalized electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. So next, very very important. So here 25. Here boron is there. Boron nothing but here no electrons, empty orbitals is there, like plus. So here plus is there. Here plus is there. 4n equal to 4. So n equal to 1. It follow the anti-aromatic rule. It follow the anti-aromatic rule, 4n rule. So it is a anti-aromatic. So here ASH. So AS means arsenic. Arsenic is a fifth group element which have one lone pair on the atom. So like minus. So this lone pair involved in conjugation. This lone pair are delocalized electron. This lone pair is a delocalized electron. So here delocalized electrons are 6. 4n plus 2 equal to 6. So n equal to 1. It follow the and aromatic rule, 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound, it is a anti-aromatic compound. So next, very very important, 27, example 27. This is the very very important. So here oxygens are there, 2 oxygens, here plus is there, here plus. So double bond, single bond, here one lone pair involved in conjugation, here plus is involved in conjugation, here also lone pair involved in one lone pair involved in conjugation. It is a conjugated system. It is a conjugated system, and the pi electrons and lone pairs are delocalized electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. 4n plus 2 equal to 6, n equal to 1. It is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. For example, another one. So in place of plus, here boron is there. Boron nothing but electron deficient compound. Have to consider the like plus. So here O, here double bond is there, here plus is there. This is also follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It have conjugated system, that equal to n equal to 1. It is also aromatic compound. It is also aromatic compound. So next, here minus is there. So very very important, minus are in electron lone pair atoms are there. So here one lone pair involved in conjugation, here also one lone pair involved in conjugation, here also one lone pair involved in conjugation. How many total electrons are there? 8 electrons. So 4n equal to 8. It follow the 4n rule. It is an anti-aromatic compound. It is a anti-aromatic compound. It is a anti-aromatic compound. So next very very important example. So here nitrogen or phosphorus, arsenic or oxygen, whatever it may be there, one lone pair involved in conjugation. Here no conjugation, double bond is there, there is no conjugation. It is a Non-aromatic compound, non-aromatic compound, it is a non-aromatic compound, it is a non-aromatic compound. So next, very very important example. So here oxygen is there, oxygen or sulfur, whatever it may be the atom. Here lone pair involving conjugation. So lone pair, single bond, double bond, single bond is there. Throughout the ring there is no conjugation. It is not a conjugated system, it is not a planar molecule. So it is a non-aromatic compound, non-aromatic compound. So next, very very important example. So one lone pair is there here. Here multiple bonds are there. So lone pair involved in conjugation. Here pi electrons involved in conjugation. Pi electrons involved in conjugation. Here these pi electrons go to oxygen to get a carbon have positive charge. The carbon have positive charge. So here conjugation is there. This system is a conjugated system that pi electrons and lone pairs are delocalized electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So 4n plus 2 equal to 6, n equal to 1. It is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. Here plus is there. Directly take the plus. That is also aromatic compound. That is also aromatic compound. Here plus is there. Here boron atom is there. Boron or aluminum like that atoms. Boron atom is there. So boron, how to consider the plus, that is the uncharged or electron deficient atom. So it is also aromatic, it is also aromatic, it is also aromatic, it is also aromatic compound. So next, this compound is aromatic or not, second once. So here nitrogen atoms are there, one lone pair is there. So 2 pi electrons, 2 pi bonds are there. Here 6 electrons involved in conjugation. Here double bond O is there, outside is there. So the pi electrons go to oxygen, here get plus. So conjugation is there. It is a conjugated system that pi electrons and lone pairs are delocalized electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 electrons. 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. So it is a aromatic compound. So next, so this is the naphthalene and anthracene are aromatic compounds or not, one second. So here conjugation is there, that electrons are delocalized electrons, Here 4n plus 2 equal to 10, 4n equal to 8, n equal to 2. So here n value 0, 1, 2, 3 are there. Get n value get 0, 1, 2, 3, that is a, it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, circles rule. It is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. Next, anthracene. So it have a conjugated system. These all pi electrons are conjugated systems. So it is a conjugated system that all pi electrons are delocalized pi electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 or not. 4n plus 2 equal to 14. So 4n equal to 12. So n equal to 3. So n value get 0, 1, 2, 3, it follows the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. Another compound, phenanthrene. It is also have conjugation system, double bond, single bond, alternative double bond, single bonds are there. It is a conjugated system. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, that equal to 14 electrons, 4n equal to for 12, n equal to 3, n equal to 3. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. It is also aromatic compound. So next very important examples, that are very important examples, C9H10, C9H10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here C9H10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here conjugation is not completed. So how many carbons are there? 9 carbons. How many hydrogens are there? CH 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 2 hydrogens are there. So total 10. C9H10. C9H10. It have no conjugation. It have no conjugation. It is a non-aromatic compound. It is a non-aromatic compound. Non-aromatic compound. So here plus is there, that is the conjugated system. Here plus is there, conjugated system. So here 4n plus 2 equal to, how many pi electrons are there? 4, that equal to 4n plus 2 equal to 4 pi points, nothing but 8. 4n equal to 6, n equal to 3 by 2. N equal to 3 by 2. It not follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. N value get 0, 1, 2, 3. At that time it is follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. This is follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Otherwise not follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Here minus is there. Here minus is there. C9H9. C9H9 plus is, that is the not a aromatic compound. It follow the 4n or not? 4n equal to 8, n equal to 2. It follow the 4n rule. So it is a anti-aromatic compound. Next C9H9 minus. C9H9 minus. Here minus is there. So now conjugated system, that pi electrons are delocalized electrons. That pi electrons are delocalized electrons. This minus also involved in conjugation. So here 4n plus 2 equal to 10. So 4n equal to 8. So n equal to 2. N equal to 2. So n value 0 or 1, 2, 3 or get, that is a, it is a follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So conjugated system is there. That electrons are delocalized electrons. That molecule is a planar molecule and it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. C9H9 minus is aromatic compound. C9H plus is a anti-aromatic compound. And C9H10 neutral molecule, that is no conjugation. This is a non-aromatic compound. It is a non-aromatic compound. So next, so very important examples part, example party. So it is a one ring have conjugated system, another ring have no conjugation, normal ring. So one ring is a conjugation, this type of rings, that is the aromatic compound. First ring follow the 4n plus 2 electrons, so n equal to 1. So it is a aromatic compound. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, conjugated system, that pi electrons are delocalized electrons. So it is a planar molecule. Overall, that molecule is a planar molecule. So next, so here one pi electrons are there. This is not a delocalized electrons. It is a delocalized electrons. It is a conjugated system. It is a planar ring. So it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound n equal to 1. So next, yeah, two rings separately, it is a conjugated system. Two rings separately, it is a conjugated system. It is also conjugated system. It is also conjugated system. It is follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It is also follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So individually that are aromatic compound. This is the aromatic compound n equal to 1. Overall that molecule is a aromatic compound, biphenyls. So next very important example, borazole. Borazole is aromatic or not, once again. So borazole, that is also called as inorganic benzene. It is also called as inorganic benzene. So BN, BN, BN. So it's here nitrogen donating to lone pair to boron. Here nitrogen donating to lone pair to boron. Nitrogen donating to boron. Lone pair is donating to boron. So here nitrogen get positive charge, boron get negative charge, positive, negative. It is a polar molecule. It is a polar molecule. So here pi electrons, these pi electrons involved in conjugation like benzene. Like benzene. So it is a conjugated system that pi electrons are delocalized electrons, delocalized electron. 4n plus 2 equal to 6. So n equal to 1. So it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. So borazole is a aromatic compound. Next very important example, cyclooctatetraene. Cyclooctatetraene. Very important example this. Cyclooctatetraene. So it is a conjugated system. It is a conjugated system, but that molecule not like that molecule. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this molecule, this like structure is there, tub shaped molecule. It is have a no planar structure. So it is a non-aromatic compound. It is a non-aromatic compound. Why it is a non-aromatic compound? This is exist as tub-shaped structure, that is not a planar structure. That is not a planar molecule. That's why non-aromatic compound. It have conjugation, but it have non-planar structure, tub-shaped molecule. That's why it is a non-aromatic compound. It is a non-aromatic compound. Very important. So next part is 6. A double bond O is there here. So this molecule easily convert to this hydrogen shifted to here tautomers. This is involved in tautomeric bonds. It is this molecule follow the 4n rule. 4n equal to 4, n equal to 1. So it is an anti-aromatic compound. It is a anti-aromatic. This is easily convert to this. It is a anti-aromatic compound. Double bond O, double bond O. So it is involving this hydrogen go to this oxygen, that is involved in tautomers. OH. A double bond O is there. This pi electrons go to oxygen. That molecule convert to OH. Here plus and here plus. So this is the conjugated system. Double bond, single bond plus single bond plus single bond. It is a conjugated system. It follow the 4n plus 2 or not. 4n plus 2 equal to 2 electrons. 4n equal to 0. N equal to 0. N value get 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It is an aromatic compound. So it is aromatic compound. It is anti-aromatic compound. So next very important examples. So here plus is there, it is aromatic compound. Here minus is there, it is aromatic compound. This pi electron shifting to here get here minus. So now it is a conjugated system, planar molecule. Now this molecule is also planar molecule. This ring is also planar molecule. So these pi electrons and minus involved in conjugation. These electrons are delocalized electrons. These electrons also delocalized electrons. So 4n plus 2 equal to here 6. Here also 4n plus 2 equal to 6. Both rings are follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. N equal to 1. So it is a aromatic compound. Next very important example. So pi electron shifting to this direction, here get plus, here minus. So it is also aromatic compound. So here plus. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. 4n plus 2 equal to 2, n equal to 0. 4n equal to 0, n equal to 0. Here 4n plus 2 equal to 6. So n equal to 1. Both rings follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It is have conjugated system. So it is also aromatic molecule. This is very important. So next very important, azulene molecule. Which molecule? Azulene molecules. minus is there plus. So minus plus single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, plus single bond, double bond, single bond, conjugation is there. So both rings have conjugation. Oral ring is a aromatic ring. Oral ring is a aromatic ring. This follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oral ring 4n plus 2 equal to 10 electrons. So 4n equal to 8, n equal to 2. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. So very important. So here very important bits are there. Which of the following is more acidic hydrogen? Which of the following compound have more acidic hydrogen? So this is the option 1. And next, so all the above. Which of the following have more acidic hydrogen? After losing H plus, the compound get aromatic nature that have more acidic hydrogen. So lose H plus, this compound get H minus. Lose H plus, this compound get here minus. Lose H plus, that compound get here minus. So after losing this molecule is follow the 4n rule, that is the anti-aromatic compound. This molecules also follow the 4n rule. This is the anti-aromatic compound. This molecule follow the 4n plus 2. So 4n plus 2 equal to 6, n equal to 1. It is aromatic compound. This molecule easily lose the H plus. This molecule easily lose the H plus, convert to this molecule. So it is a more stable than this molecule. This is the non-aromatic compound. Non-aromatic compound convert to aromatic compound. It is a more stable, easily lose H plus. Which of the following compound have more acidic hydrogen? This molecule have more acidic hydrogen. Why? Because after losing H plus, that compound get aromatic nature, that is the most stable. So next very important. Which of the following molecule easily lose H minus ion, hydride ion? Which of the following molecule easily lose H minus ion? So same options. Which of the following molecule lose H minus ion, hydride ion? So after losing H minus, this molecule get here plus. So here plus. Here plus. So after losing H minus get these molecules. So it is a aromatic compound. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It is a anti-aromatic compound. It follow the 4n. It is also follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. It is a non-aromatic compound. Which of the following molecule not easily lose H minus? Second molecule not easily lose H minus. This molecule lose easily H plus when compared to remaining. So this molecule not easily lose H minus. Why? Because after losing of H minus, that molecule convert to anti-aromatic compound. Anti-aromatic compounds are less stable than aromatic compounds, and that is also less stable than non-aromatic compound. It is a non-aromatic, it is an anti-aromatic compound. Anti-aromatic compound are least stable when compared to non-aromatic compounds. So here 1 is easily lose H plus and 3 also easily lose H plus compared to these two molecules which is easily lose H minus. This is lose H minus. Why? Because so it is the most stable. Why? Because the pi electrons involved in more conjugations, more resonance forms. More resonance forms. It is a more conjugated system, more stable conjugated system when compared to 1. So which one is easily lose H minus? So third one is easily lose H minus. Third one is easily lose H minus. Why? Because this is the most stable conjugated system when compared to first. So what is the correct order of losing of H minus? Correct order of losing of H minus. So 3 is greater than 2 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1 is greater than 2. So this is the very important. So next very important example. So which of the following molecule easily react with AgNO3? Easily react with AgNO3. So after react with AgNO3 form AgCl precipitate. Which one easily give AgCl precipitate? Or which one easily react with AgNO3 at plus after react to form AgCl, Cl minus, here plus is formed. This is the aromatic compound. 4n plus 2 equal to 2, that equal to n equal to 0. So after react with AgNO3, this molecule convert to this like that, plus, here plus is there. So it is an anti-aromatic compound. It follow the 4n rule. Here plus. It is an aromatic compound. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Conjugated system is there. It is a planar molecule. It is a planar molecule. So it is a aromatic compound. It is easily react with AgNO3. This is also easily react with AgNO3 when compared to these two molecules. This is the easily react with AgNO3 molecule. Why? Because it is after losing Cl minus get aromatic compound. It is a more conjugated system. So correct order of reactivity is C is greater than, so 3 is greater than, 1 is greater than 2. This is the very less reactive. Why? Because after reacting react with AgNO3, that form positive charge on carbon. It is a anti-aromatic compound. It is a anti-aromatic compound. So these examples are very important examples for competitive exams. So don't miss it, students. Thank you very much, students.